Welcome to Wheelchair Sales Australia. Today we're going to have a look at one of our most popular models, the D12. And here it is in all its glory. I'll take you around and show you some features. Like all our Power Ranger models, the D12 folds incredibly flat and it's designed to go in the boot of any car. At 26 kilos, it's definitely a two-person lift. Whilst I can do it on my own, I regret it every time I do. The D12 has a simple, elegant joystick controller. It has an on and an off button. On the right-hand side, you see the battery power display, like your fuel gauge. And on the left-hand side, the plus and minus buttons control the maximum speed. Although, like a car accelerator, if you push the joystick a little bit, you go slowly. You push it harder, you go faster. The D12 has two 144 watt-hour lithium polymer batteries. They are airline approved, and you can take them out, pop them in your hand luggage when you're going on a plane, and the chill will go into a locker. There's a powerful 250 watt motor on each side, powering each wheel. You can, with these red switches, put it into free rolling mode. It's like putting your car into neutral, and then you just click it from manual mode back into power mode, which locks it, so now you can't roll it along, but when you operate the joystick, it'll work. There's a single catch in the back here to release it to fold. I'm doing it with one hand here, so it's a little bit difficult, but down it goes and ready to pop into the boot of the car. You can make it fold flatter by pulling out the memory foam cushion, the seat cushion there. It just velcros off. And then when you lift it back up, again, easy with two hands, it just pops open, it locks itself, and it's ready to drive.